Today we have the 2019 Ford Galaxy. This vehicle has done just under 76,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. On our screen, we can access Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting, valet mode, mobile apps, navigation, and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with our parking camera, as well as front and rear parking sensors. If we press here, we can access our climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which are black leather and get a good view of our panoramic roof.